Hey guys, today we're making the most perfect crepes. These are so delicious and make the perfect breakfast every time. They're so amazing and definitely the best recipe out there. So let's get started. We're going to start off by cracking the eggs into a jug. Now I'm using a jug to make it easier to pour the batter into the pan later on, but you can use a mixing bowl here. Then you're going to add in your milk, and vanilla, the sugar, and the melted oil, the melted butter or oil, and finally the flour and baking powder. Then you're going to go in with your electric mixer and you're going to beat this until it is lump free and super smooth. This will take just a few minutes. Now you don't want a super thick batter for this, so you can adjust it by adding more milk or flour as required. Then you're going to take your non-stick pan and spray it with a bit of cooking oil, and then you're going to pour some of your batter into your pan. Then swirl the pan around and then let it cook till there's bubbles on top. Then you're going to go in with a rubber spatula. Now this just makes it easier to flip your crepes and flip it and cook the other side just for a few seconds. Now you can add whatever you want in the middle. Here I'm just using some old cinnamon and sugar. And then roll it up. You could also add some nutella and spread it all around. Then you're going to roll it up once again. And then repeat the same process till all your batter is finished. These are certainly the best crepes ever and make the most perfect breakfast every time. They are super amazing and so soft. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.